Eh,
Okay, hello everyone.
Tagan mo
Lolo Bal is going to
Mag-stammer. Repeat.
tell you his idea of what the purpose of life is. Lolo Bal, take it away.
What is the purpose of life?
Yeah.
Ha? Abasahin na? Ha? Okay. What is the purpose of life? Comes at the time you have matured spiritually and physically, and then encounter life as it came along every day, and resolve your dreams, your ambitions. Then life begins. How you prepared for today and tomorrow is the footprint of your life today and every day. This encounter of your life is your plan, and you did it day by day until forever, and meet your life and unknowingly has ended.
Okay, what do you advise them to do to succeed in school? Very quick, very short, but precise.
All you have to do is from the beginning of your schooling, you listen to your teacher and memorize what he says.
Open your eyes, open and look here.
And anytime the teacher asks you during examinations, you get at least 90% of the questions. You pass 90%. That is success in your elementary school. Similarly, when you go to the intermediate school, to the high school, the same. You have to study very well, remember what you are reading and what's being taught in school, because you will need it. And you guarantee yourself by gradings monthly. You can see by yourself how you stand. If you receive 80, 75, 87, that is not a very good rating. You have to study further, and to study, you have to remember what you have read. You do not learn, but you do not remember them. Memorize them. That is how to succeed.
Okay, all right. First, open your eyes and look at them because they are looking at you.
And then
wait, discipline. How will discipline come in? Because sometimes you have desires to just have fun and stuff. So what do you do, and how do you get your mind focused on your subjects when in fact your mind wants to have fun?
The discipline of a good scholar is you have to read continuously, and you do not go absent even for 1 hour.
No fun? No partying? What do you
There
do? You desire, you like to party.
There will be no quarreling about it. You must study alone if it is necessary, that you do not need their assistance. So you study alone. There is no disturbance. And to memorize this, what you have read, is to be alone. Because there are people around you, you can't memorize them. You're disturbed. And you can say what you have achieved during the examination every month. You can read. If you get 85 and above, that is fairly good enough.
What will, if your friends ask you to come to the party, what will you say? How will you deal with these things?
You can come to a party. You can accept invitation only on Sundays if you have already prepared or what is needed the following day, which is Monday. But if you cannot prepare that because short of time, do not accept any invitation.
After is okay.
After that, it's all right.
Okay. So how will you succeed as a family person when you... what about choosing the woman or the man to marry?
Oh, choosing the man to marry, that is quite a very romantic question. Because love starts from the heart, and it reflects to the heart of the man who is courting you, if you are the lady. But there are many little beautiful things in love. You can stop it. Why? It's natural. It differs with the intensity of love. Maybe you love so much the man that you cannot weigh that intensity of love. But beautiful love stays forever with you. The first love that you got from him.
When you look at him and you fall in love, and he did the same to you, should remain forever. That is the sweetest love throughout your life. Maybe there are some other women, if you are the man, that you can roam around your eyes and you maybe you look at them very pretty. Don't attend to that. Follow your heart. Your heart is not going to choose 3, 5 women. No, it will not. It will be choosing only one. And you choose one. You have to be intimate with him until the day of marriage. You have to maintain very good relation. That you love one another. That you care one another. That you do not
What about the man?
In any manner of disagreements, you do not disagree, but you come to agreement. That is true love.
Okay, what about if the apo is a man, is a boy? So what do you advise the boy, the man? If the apo is a boy or a man, what do you
for
advise?
the boy, I would say I have so many apo. One is the handsomest boy, Mr. Sidney Jr. I say handsome, he's really a handsome boy. I think he's the handsomest in my apo. And he's also, I think, one of the smartest boy among my apo. He's very intelligent boy.
Open your
Now,
eyes, Daddy.
I would ask you,
Look here.
Sidney Jr., that do not use your handsomeness to capture so many women. Don't do it. You are supposed to love only one woman in your life. Now, when you fall in love, be sure that you fall in love with her. You search her and you ask her and look over his family. If you like, maybe their family is nestled with something you do not like. So you study very well, but do not correct her. Just study. Now, if you think she is the best in your life, stay with her. Do not forget her. Even 1 minute in your life, stick and stay with her.
Thank you.